Today, I'll demonstrate the different cam views available in version 7. First, I'll open my part and switch to the cam module. Here you can see the view toggle buttons in the upper right corner of the viewport. I'll zoom in so you can see more clearly. This first button switches on and off the cutting direction, indicated by these arrows on the toolpath. The second shows or hides the kerf. This is helpful for visualizing the exact material that will be removed. This next button toggles the visibility of the bounds of my material. The fourth button allows me to hide the geometry of my parts while leaving the toolpaths visible. The next will show or hide the identifying numbers for each of my parts. This button will toggle visibility of all my rapid moves on or off. The next over will hide or reveal all my toolpaths, including cuts. The button here will shade and unshade each of my parts. And finally, I can use this button to enable or disable the grid. Using the right combination, I can display the information I need without overcluttering my screen. The ability to toggle each visual element in the CAM viewport independently allows you to tailor version 7 to your cutting application